Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 Lexus Plots 3, a vehicle that promises to blend luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious about Lexus's latest offering, this video will cover all the key details: design, specs, performance, pricing, and more. Let's get started. The 2026 Lexus Plots 3 showcases a bold evolution of Lexus's signature design language. The spindle grille has been refined with a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The body features smooth, flowing lines with a coupe-like roofline, emphasizing sportiness without sacrificing practicality. Available in a range of striking colors, including a new metallic plasma blue, the Plots 3 is sure to turn heads. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that screams luxury. High-quality materials like premium leather, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch surfaces dominate the space. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering both comfort and support, with optional heating, cooling, and massage functions. Tech-wise, the Plots 3 is packed with the latest innovations. A massive 14-inch touchscreen runs Lexus's updated infotainment system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice command functionality. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, and a heads-up display projects essential info onto the windshield. Under the hood, the 2026 Plots 3 offers multiple powertrain options. The base model features a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4, producing 275 horsepower, while the performance-oriented Plots 3 F-Sport boasts a hybrid powertrain combining a 3.5-liter V6 with electric motors for a total output of 420 horsepower. Both variants come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive as standard. For those interested in electrification, Lexus is expected to offer a plug-in hybrid version with an estimated 50 miles of pure electric range. The battery can be charged from 0 to 80% in under 2 hours using a Level 2 charger. The Plots 3 is no slouch when it comes to performance. The F-Sport variant can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, thanks to its potent hybrid setup. Lexus has also fine-tuned the suspension and steering for a balance between comfort and sportiness, making it equally at home on winding roads and daily commutes. Safety is a priority, with standard features including pre-collision braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. The latest iteration of Lexus Safety System Plus adds improved pedestrian detection and enhanced lane tracing assist. The 2026 Lexus Plots 3 is expected to start at around $48,000 for the base model, with the F-Sport trim pushing closer to $62,000. The plug-in hybrid variant could command a premium, likely starting near $55,000. Lexus has hinted at a release window in late 2025 or early 2026, with pre-orders opening soon. The 2026 Lexus Plots 3 is shaping up to be a compelling option in the luxury performance segment. With its striking design, high-tech interior, and versatile powertrain options, it's poised to compete with rivals like the BMW 5 Series and Audi A6. Whether you're after efficiency, power, or cutting-edge features, the Plots 3 has something to offer. What do you think about the 2026 Lexus Plots 3? Are you excited about its release, or do you prefer its competitors? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.